Awak dulu. Okay, Luffy. One more time, Luffy.
Alice nasi
And.
papi.
Lagi sekali.
Anti
One more time. Nelis.
Lilis
Mhm.
fish
No,
papi.
naughty. Naughty pa? Puppy. Okay. Aunt Nelly's naughty puppy. Okay. Okay, one box first. Okay. Okay, this one, Luffy. Try and read.
Alice
One more time lagi sekali.
uh, uh,
Aunt
Lilis
Nelly.
Eli
Mm-mm.
Liv
Mm-mm.
Ulun
Alone.
Will
Mm-hmm.
Now the
Naughty.
puppy. Naughty puppy.
Betul. With her naughty
Hmm.
puppy. Okay, maksudnya Aunty Nelly ni duduk seorang-seorang je dengan anjing dia yang nakal. Okay, good. Okay, so let's try this one.
The puppy enjoyed
Ada
running,
S and
enjoys
enjoys.
running and knocking
Hmm.
the neck.
Mm-hmm.
Neck.
Ada S.
Next.
Yes.
The house.
Yes, betul. Okay, around the house. Okay, good. Luffy, bagus. Okay. Okay, good job. Cuba yang ini.
Notes.
Mm-hmm.
Face.
Aha.
Face. Tom.
Yes. Okay. Dia ada dua sebutan untuk vase. Okay. Kalau American, dia akan sebut vase. Kalau British, dia akan sebut vase. Kalau kita ikut British. Okay. Jadi sebutan dia adalah vase. Cuba apa Luffy sebut lagi sekali. Vase. Betul. Okay. Okay. Good job. Bagus. Mana tadi Lutfi? Okay. So next one.
Not
Mm-hmm.
to lay
Mm-hmm.
down.
Down. Ini apa? Yang mula ni?
He.
Yes, betul. He knocks a lamp down. Okay, dia nakal kan. Jadi lampu pun dijatuhkan. Dilanggar dan terjatuh lampu tu. Okay.
Not
Mm-hmm.
a chair down.
Mm-hmm. Yes, he knocks a chair down. Okay, good. Okay.
He. He.
Mm-hmm.
Everything
Mm-hmm.
down.
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 Yes, he knocks everything down. Okay. Another two more boxes and on the rocket. Okay, last one. Mana tak perlu? Ada.
So now
Mm-hmm.
the
No.
puppy also
Luffy, yang ini naughty.
naughty. A
Mm.
puppy
Mm-hmm.
also like to know
Mm-hmm.
everything.
Yes, pandai. Good. Okay, dah sampai.